morning class 4. In this video lecture we will discuss about chapter 1, that is green plants producer of food. So in this chapter we already discussed about, that is, plants prepare food for itself and also for the whole animal world. Plants are green, especially the leaves of the plants are green because a green substance called chlorophyll present in the leaves. This chlorophyll helps in the production of food by absorbing the sunlight. So we have to understand the several parts of leaf to understand the process of producing food, and that is why leaves are called the kitchen of the plant, because food is produced inside the leaf. So we had already discussed that leaves have different parts, like the part through which leaf attached with the stem is called stalk or petiole. Then there is a one main vein or midrib, and there are several side veins are there. The flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade, and small holes are present on the underside of the leaf, and they are kidney shaped, and this is called stomata. And chlorophyll, that is a green color substance present in the leaf, and this help in the absorption of sun, and which ultimately help in the process of photosynthesis. Then we discussed about the process of photosynthesis, that is, photo means light and synthesis means to put together. So plants perform the process of photosynthesis and produce food. This produced food is stored in the form of sugar and starch, and plants use it for its growth and development, and we animals also use. Then we discussed about some plants, those who are not green and they don't have chlorophyll, but still they prepare their food, still they get their food from the dead and decaying matter like fungi, molds, mushrooms. Then we discussed about the croton plants, that is, they are red and yellow color, but still they also have chlorophyll under this red and yellow color, and they perform photosynthesis and prepare their food. Then we discussed about some parasitic plant like dodar or amabel. They get their food from the other green plants. Then we discussed about cactus, that the leaves are reduced to spines, but the stem are green and they perform the process of photosynthesis. Then we discussed about the interdependence of plants and animals, that is, plants prepare the food and animals use it. Plants release oxygen in the atmosphere and animals use it. In the opposite direction, animals release carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and plants use it. Animals help in the dispersal of seed. Animals, after they die, they mix with the soil, and this create nutrients for the plant. Then we discussed about the balance in nature. There should be a balance between the number of animals and the number of plants in nature, and if this balance will not maintained, then plants are not able to provide the food for the increased number of animals, and animals also not able to provide oxygen for the increased number of plants. So we have to understand the importance, and we have to protect the animal and the plant world. So government take steps, and Wildlife Protection Act by which we protect wildlife, and several other steps are there like Ban Mahotsav, Apico movement, Chipko movement, by which plants are protected. So this is the whole first chapter, and today the first chapter revision is also done. Now from the next lecture we will discuss about the second chapter. We will revise the second chapter, that is plant habitat. So I hope you understand chapter 1. Any problem, ask me, I will help you. Have a great day class. Be safe at home. Thank you.